So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can run Kali Linux on any browser for free. Now open any of the browser, and here you need to search for try hack me challenges, and open this first website that appear right in front of you. Now here you need to search for Linux fundamentals part 1. Now once you go over there, just simply roll up for this particular room. You need to sign in for the same. It's totally free. Now here under this option of running your first few commands or interacting with, here you can see this option of start machine right there. Click over there, and here you can see starting a machine have been right there. Now you can see the terminal of Linux have been started to opening with a virtual server that is on Asia Pacific or whatever region that you have. Now the machine have been started for 1 hour, and you can even extend it till whatever amount you want. And here you can see it has started to run the terminal for Linux for you directly in your browser. You can just simply switch to full screen from here only as well. Here you can see it's on the full screen. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.